Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to analyze a plasmid using Photo51. Let's get started. To open a plasmid, select it in My Files and click Open in the top banner, or simply double-click the file. This opens the map view of the plasmid. By default, all features are displayed, along with restriction enzymes and primers. You can toggle additional options like open reading frames and location labels using the buttons in the top banner. To view the plasmid horizontally, just click Horizontal Map. You can also view the reverse complement of the plasmid by clicking the reverse strand icon in the top banner. To analyze the sequence, switch to Sequence View using the bottom navigation bar. Here, you can also enable amino acid translations and DNA color schemes to simplify your analysis. To view both the map and sequence at the same time, enable Split Screen from the top banner. This lets you quickly navigate between the two. Clicking on a feature in the map will automatically jump to the same region in Sequence View. If you want to edit the plasmid's associated information, click the Info button in the top banner. You can attach relevant metadata here, which will also be visible when you hover over the file in My Files. The bottom navigation bar gives you an overview of the plasmid's enzymes, features, primers, guide RNAs, and edit history. Enzymes Overview. In the Enzymes tab, you'll see all possible restriction enzymes, the number of cuts they make, and their positions. Use the search bar to find specific enzymes or filter them by enzyme type. Features Overview. The Features tab displays all current features in the plasmid. To edit a feature, select it and click Edit, or simply double-click it. To detect common features automatically, click Find Features in the top banner. Photo51 will scan your plasmid and suggest known features. You can toggle Show Overlap with Existing Features to highlight duplicates and select the features you want to add using the checkboxes. Once you're happy with your selection, click Submit and they'll be added to your plasmid. Primers Overview. The Primers tab shows all primers associated with your plasmid. To export them, click the Export button in the top banner. You can also format them for ordering from IDT or Synthego by selecting the provider and exporting a CSV file. To add new primers, click Add in the top banner, choose a strand and design the primer in the pop-up window. If you've used Photo51's CRISPR tools, your designed guide RNAs will appear in the Guide RNAs tab. Edit History. All edits made to a plasmid are automatically recorded. To view the full history, go to the History tab in the bottom bar. Alignment View. If you've aligned sequences to this plasmid, you can review them in the Alignment tab. You're now ready to explore and analyze any plasmid that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and check out the next video to learn how to simulate cloning workflows in Photo51.